Hi friends, welcome to my channel Gurukul Piping. Today's topic is how to understand abbreviation of pipings. There are some important abbreviation of piping which are very useful to understand piping design, piping layout, piping plot plan, isometric, so many related things to piping. We can understand if we know these type of abbreviation in related to piping. Let's start. First, there is a heading, important abbreviation of piping, ASME. Full form of ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers. ASME. Sometime in interview, somebody asked to you ASME, full form of ASME. So we should understand and learn American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Next is ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials, related to material. These society is working for material specification. AWWA, American Water Works Association. AWA. API, American Petroleum Institute. API full form, American Petroleum Institute. Next, these are the abbreviation which I am showing you, very important for learning piping design, piping concept. If we don't know the abbreviation which are very useful us, we cannot understand the drawing and equipment layout, plot plan, isometric, so many things which are related to piping. Let's start. EL, elevation. Platform, PLTF, platform. Next is eccentric reducer, eccentric reducer, EC, ECC dot RED. Next is CONC RED, concentric reducer. FSD, flat side down. FSU, flat side up. FSD and FSU are related to reducer, eccentric reducer, flat side up, flat side down. Next is BE, bevel end. Next, PE, plain end. NPS, nominal pipe size. NB, nominal bore. OD, outer diameter. NPS, NB and OD related to pipe. Next, FFL, FFF, finished floor level. Finished floor level, FFL. CL, this type of symbol will be used for center line. Next, this filled triangle is used for center line of pipe. Next, blank triangle used for bottom of pipe. This is BOP, bottom of pipe. This is the cross section of pipe, and one line in the bottom of pipe means BOP, bottom of pipe. BF, blind flange. AG, above ground. Next is ATM, atmosphere, not ATM of money related. Butt weld, BW, butt welding. CPLG, coupling. CS, carbon steel. CSC, car sealed closed. Next, CSO, car sealed open. Next, DIA, diameter. DISH, discharge. DWG, drawing. Mostly we use short form abbreviation for drawing, that is DWG. GAD, very important, mostly we use this, general arrangement drawing. PNID, piping and instrumentation diagram. PFD, process flow diagram. PDS, process data sheet, PDS. MDS, mechanical data sheet. ISO, isometric. CV, control valve. PSD, pressure safety valve. PRV, pressure relief valve. NRV, non-return valve. NRV, second name of NRV is check valve. FO, flow orifice. MOV, motor operated valve. BTL, bottom tangent line. STR, strainer. DN, nominal diameter. FDN, foundation. So these all are abbreviation. Whatever I discussed with you all guys, these are very important abbreviation which we use in piping design. So please understand these abbreviation which are very useful all of you. So guys, this video is okay for today. Now next video I will give you more information about piping related things and which will be very useful for all of you. Thank you guys. This is my new channel. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and bell icons for notification. Thank you very much friend. Thank you very much.